Presenting the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: USB audio input port, cruise control, stabily tracked electronic stability control system, auxiliary audio input jack, Bluetooth communications capability, power adjustable pedals, power 4-wheel disc anti-lock brakes, Bose 7-speaker audio system, and driver and front passenger frontal airbags. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.